Okay, hello everybody. It's January 6th and I'm in snowy West Michigan. I'll take my first bike ride of 2021. Don't know how far I'll go, but sure is going to be fun. I'll show you when I get to wherever I'm going. Traffic. I don't know what the temp is, but I'll let you know when I find out. Oh, it's 38. Not bad. Okay, that's enough of showing my face and where I'm coming from. I'm going to try to turn it around and show where I'm going. Either that or I'll just stop and film when I get to my destination. Okay, I've just been riding around the back roads around northern Kent County, avoiding the ice. Trying to. And now I'm just on my way back. Stopped at a little park that I love to go to and picnic at frequently. But just want to show you, we do have a little bit of snow here. Sure is nice. I don't remember the last time I rode motorcycle on January 6th. I ride all winter, but I'm not sure I rode in January any recent years. Yeah, I know I didn't. March, frequently in March. Quite a bit in December. January, not so much. Anyway, I did start a video going forward on my motorcycle to show where I was driving, but it got messed up, so I just waited. Have a good night, everybody. Hope 2021 is treating you all very well. Bye for now.